See, this guy knows, right? Loud noises cause sterility, and he's attacking every single one of us. So so he's pretending that he's helping one person, but how can he be helping one when he's causing sterility in 100 people? How is he helping one person? That is what I'm asking. What about the 100? What about us? That's who I'm talking for. Look at this, and this guy, every couple of minutes he's coming out here. This is the third time this man came out here, right? When is he gonna turn this siren off? That's what I'm saying. He's causing sterility in men and women. He's making it so people cannot have kids, attacking us with a siren, pretending he's doing a job. And I'm telling you, fuck.